The one with all of the bullets that I need is my backup.
You got any bullets in over there?
But I have bullets in this.
Oh! Don't use that gun. That one hurts.
Can I have my bullets then? Sorry.
Christopher.
Take the bullets out.
That really stung my teeth.
Sorry, it's outside.
No, because the outside, I lose my bullet. Oh my god, that hurt my teeth.
Oh! Dude, thanks for the bullet. I'm not giving it back.
You don't have that gun that works it.
Yeah, but that means you don't have the gun to use that. No, that's not fair. That's gonna hurt me.
It won't hurt. I got shot in the back with it.
You want this?
No, that one hurts, remember?
Well, that one's gonna hurt.
I miss.
You can't come in here.
Yeah, you can, because that's where all the bullets are.
What are you doing?
We're playing.
Stay out of my room.
We are.
We are. We're playing a game of Nerf, and he accidentally shot me in the
Well,
face.
we don't shoot up near the face.
He didn't mean to.
I know, but I'm telling you both.
He said it was an
I know,
accident.
but I'm telling you both. Don't back talk it. Just say okay.
Okay. David, why are you hiding? It's just a Nerf. Oh, I know where you can. I have to snipe it. Are you gonna come out, David? David, drop that gun.
Yes, none of these other ones have bullets.
You had those bullets you could use.
No.
That gun shoots straight.
Look, I'll shoot it like this. It won't even hit you.
Yeah, but did you said I won't use it. You can take the bullets out.
I'm not playing.
Remember what happened? My lip hurt. It was purple.
I'm still using it.
If you shoot me, you're gonna have to be mad. You shot me right in the lip. David, don't use that gun on me.
I'm not playing.
David, what was the point of doing the video if you want to use the same gun?
Cause
Do you want that to happen again and then we get in trouble? Because she said don't shoot each other in the face. That gun will shoot straight into somebody's face.
I won't shoot it at your face. You almost just hit me.
It's a bullet. It's a
Oh, it's a bullet?
It's
This is a bullet.
Yeah, but the one that wants to hurt.
This is the biggest one. It's my phone.
Bro, you got medium. Those guns like the most. Those guns are big. These are just full size.
Oh, then I'll show you with this one.
That gun. You can't put that there when the bullet won't shoot. This kid shot me in the lip and it hurt.
That one recording.
Yeah. We done this for 5 minutes.
Maybe for your nuts.
The bullet's sticking out.
It has to.
You know you won't do it.
That's perfectly.
Ow! Hey, thanks for the bullet.
Hey.
Don't shoot me. Well, I'm not going to shoot you. I'm not going to find the piece that,
I don't have it.
the piece that connects to the front. The silencer scope.
Hey, I need to go.
Good way.
I'm going.
Remember you shot me in the lip?
I'm not you.